a safe mindset. Safety mindset natin yan for today, especially dito sa event natin. And then, number 2, enjoy the game. Okay, enjoy the game and of course, play with pride. Pwede marinig? Play with pride! Okay, with that, I officially declare the firefighting skills exhibition for the Bataan Cluster officially open!
The 2025 SMG-wide Firefighting Skills Exhibition.
Ang apoy po ba kaibigan natin o kalaban? Actually, parehas po. Kaibigan po natin ang apoy dahil hindi po tayo makakapagpaluto kung wala pong apoy. Kalaban, pag ito ay nakakapinsala na po sa ating buhay.
Medyo walang personalan, no? Let us look at it from the point of view that we have a common enemy and that's fire.
Kaya ang real challenge is para sa atin mapaghandaan itong kaibigan man siya o kaaway kung kailan siya darating, kung anong klaseng preparedness na meron tayong gagawin.
We are grateful and proud not just because of your participations in this event, but more so the care you have shown to keeping our offices, facilities, and communities safe and fire resilient.
Maganda itong exhibition na gagawin natin. At what is more important and the challenge for us to identify kailan ito darating.
Kaya nga, ang mga kasanayan, kahandaan at disiplina at inyong ipapamalas ngayon ay hindi lang makipagtagisan, kundi upang lalong mapahusay at mayakma para sa tunay na buhay at kaligtasan sa mga lugar na pinagtatabawan natin.
Wala nang personalan, let's do it very well. Let's look at it from the point of view that we are trying to beat our best effort that we can do. And hopefully, we will emerge as the best firefighters for the day.
Your work has not gone unnoticed. On behalf of the management, led by our Chairman and CEO, Mr. Ramon Lasan, our President and CEO, Mr. John Paul Ang, I would like to commend you all for your dedications to your craft and continuing commitment to San Miguel. This is Malasaki at its finest. With that, thank you and good morning to you.